Good morning all of you. Today we are going to discuss about nucleus and cytoplasm. The nucleus have double layer covering called nuclear membrane. It is porous. So what can happen? The substance from the nucleus can come into the cytoplasm. The nucleus contains the chromosome which is having the rod like structure, but it can be seen when a cell is about to divide. So what the chromosome contain? Chromosome contain the inheritance of the character of a parent which is going to be transferred into the next generation. So the chromosome contain the DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid. Chromosome is composed of DNA and protein. So the main information is DNA is having the characteristics. The functional segment part of DNA is called as a genes. So the cell in which is not divided contain the chromatin material which entangle in the form of thread. It is like a thread, like a structure. So when cell is about to divide, means from one cell it is about to going to be two cell, then this chromatin material get organized into the chromosome. The another function of the nucleus is to do the reproduction, means the one cell, from the one cell the new two cells are being formed, because cells are always being reproduced from the previous one. So that is also one of the function of the nucleus. Now there are the certain cells where the nuclear membrane is not well developed, or absence of nuclear membrane, they containing the nucleic acid which we call nucleoids. So the cell are in the two categories, that is a prokaryotic and eukaryotic. The prokaryotic cells have lac in nuclear membrane, and also they have less number of, means the cell organelles also lacking, where the eukaryotic has a well developed cell membrane as compared to the prokaryotic. So this is about the nucleus. So what is the main function of nucleus? The inheritance character of from the parent to the next generation. Second, the reproduction. And the third, the material which is transferred from the nucleus to the cytoplasm. Now when we think about the cytoplasm, if you take the cell of onion or a chick cell and stain it, so you will find maximum part lightly colored stain, that is a cytoplasm. So in the cytoplasm there are many cell organelles are there which are having their special function. The cytoplasm is a fluid which is present between the cell membrane and the nucleus. So this is about the cytoplasm.